My name is Katie Thompson, one of the co-coordinators of Bulldog Outreach at Palm Beach Day Academy. Over the past 5 weeks, Bulldog Outreach has been involved in a wonderful program involving our nation's veterans and actively deployed soldiers. The Bulldog Military Outreach program started because our upper campus students had the opportunity to visit the Society of the Four Arts and see President George W. Bush's exhibit, Portraits of Courage, a Commander-in-Chief's tribute to America's warriors. During our kickoff assembly, retired First Sergeant Matt Eversman, who was portrayed in Black Hawk Down, spoke. He shared with the students stories about courage and honor. He also introduced Mrs. Linnell Zellner, founder of Forgotten Soldiers Organization, a local organization in Lake Worth. After visiting the Portraits of Courage exhibit, we had a number of follow-up activities. Lieutenant Commander Hector Delgado, a retired United States Navy SEAL, visited our campus. He shared personal stories of grit, commitment, respect, and trust, and really opened the dialogue with our students about why it's important to honor our nation's veterans and soldiers. For 2 weeks, we collected items that will in the future be sent to actively deployed soldiers that are stationed all over the world. On the final day of our collection drive, the upper campus students partnered with their tapestry grade levels and wrote letters that will be sent to actively deployed soldiers. We also invited family members who are veterans to attend this event. Our Bulldog Military Outreach program was truly a meaningful and special event for our school community. By writing letters, our students are providing a little piece of home to the soldiers that are stationed all over the world. And by sending care packages, our soldiers know how much we continue to care about them. Our students saw firsthand that something we did that was so small has the ability to make such a difference.
Dear hero, thank you for your service.
Thank you for protecting our country.
Please come home safe.
Thank you for all that you do for this country.
Thank you for your sacrifice and keeping us safe. Thank you for being so brave. Your bravery lets me have my freedom.
We appreciate your hard work and risking your life for us.
Thank you for serving our country and keeping everyone safe so I can go outside and play with my friends.
Come home safe. We love our soldiers.
I know you probably think that you are forgotten, but you are not. We are lucky to have people like you protecting our country. You will always be in my heart.